Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're running a business or working in sales, you may often need to send quotation letters to potential clients. A quotation letter is a formal document that outlines the pricing details, terms, and conditions for a product or service a customer has inquired about. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to write a professional quotation letter for business, following the correct format and structure. Let's get started. Your information, identifying the sender. Every formal business letter begins with the sender's details at the top. This section provides the recipient with essential contact information, ensuring they know exactly who the quotation is coming from. Example: your name, your job title, your company's name, company's address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number, including your job title and company name establishes your role and authority in the organization, while the address, email, and phone number allow the recipient to reach out easily for further discussion. Date. Documenting the quotation's issuance. The next element is the date on which you are issuing the quotation. Example: date, March 12, 2025. The date is crucial in business correspondence because it serves as an official record of when the quotation was provided. Many quotations have a validity period, so clearly stating the date helps avoid confusion regarding the offer's expiration. Recipient's information. Addressing the right person. Below the date, you should include the recipient's details. This ensures that your quotation is directed to the correct person within the company. Example: recipient's name, recipient's job title, recipient's company name, company's address, city, state, zip code. Addressing the letter to a specific person, such as the procurement manager or business owner, adds professionalism and ensures that your quotation gets to the right decision maker. If you are unsure who to address, you can check previous correspondence or ask the company for the correct contact. Subject line, clearly stating the purpose. A subject line gives the recipient a quick understanding of the purpose of your letter. Example: subject, quotation for product or service name. This is an important part of the letter because it immediately informs the recipient that this is a quotation document. Keeping the subject clear and specific helps the recipient locate the letter easily, especially if they receive multiple business proposals. Salutation, professional greeting. Before beginning the body of your letter, greet the recipient professionally. Example: dear recipient's name. Using a formal greeting such as dear recipient's name sets a respectful tone for the letter. If you don't know the recipient's name, you can use dear sir or madam, but addressing them by name makes the letter more personal and engaging. Opening paragraph, acknowledging the inquiry and stating the purpose. The first paragraph of the letter should acknowledge the recipient's inquiry and introduce the quotation. Example: I hope this letter finds you well. Thank you for reaching out to your company's name regarding your requirements for product or service name. Based on your inquiry, we are pleased to provide you with a detailed quotation as follows. This paragraph is important because it expresses appreciation for the recipient's interest in your company's products or services, establishes a positive tone by thanking them for their inquiry, clearly states that you are providing a quotation based on their request. Acknowledging the inquiry reassures the client that their request has been received and processed professionally. Quotation details, providing a clear breakdown. The next section presents the quotation in a clear and structured format. This is the most important part of the letter as it outlines pricing, payment terms, and other relevant details. Example: quotation details, product or service, specify name and description. Quantity, number of units, unit price, price per unit, total cost, total amount. Discount, if applicable, mention any discounts. Taxes and additional charges, specify if applicable. Payment terms, for example, 50% advance, balance on delivery. Delivery timeline, estimated date of delivery. Validity of quotation, for example, valid for 30 days from the date of issue. Each of these elements serves a specific purpose. Product or service description provides clarity on what the client is being offered. Quantity and unit price breaks down pricing so the client understands the cost structure. Total cost helps the client quickly see the final amount. Discounts and taxes ensures transparency by specifying any reductions or additional charges. Payment terms clarifies how and when payment should be made. Delivery timeline sets expectations on when the client can expect the product or service. Validity of quotation encourages the client to act within a specific time frame. Providing a clear and detailed breakdown helps the client make an informed decision while preventing any misunderstandings about pricing or delivery terms. Encouraging further discussion. After presenting the quotation details, it's important to encourage the recipient to reach out if they have any questions. Example: we are confident that our products or services will meet your expectations, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us at your contact information. This paragraph is essential because it expresses confidence in the quality of your products or services, encourages open communication, making it easier for the client to ask for adjustments or additional details, reinforces your willingness to assist them in making a decision. Keeping this part professional yet inviting increases the chances of a positive response. Closing paragraph. Expressing appreciation. A strong closing leaves a lasting impression and encourages a positive business relationship. Example: we appreciate your consideration and look forward to your response. This short but polite sentence shows gratitude for the recipient's time and consideration. It also subtly encourages them to take the next step in finalizing the transaction. Closing and signature. Finally, end the letter with a professional closing and your signature. Example: sincerely, your name, your job title, your company's name. Using sincerely maintains professionalism, while including your full name and job title reinforces your authority. If submitting a printed copy, leave space for a signature above your typed name. And that's it. You now know how to write a professional quotation letter for business. This letter is a crucial tool in business communication, ensuring transparency and clarity when providing pricing information to potential clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.